Number 3 says, find an Euler path that begins with a vertex B. So we're starting with B, and we have to travel every edge exactly once. And your route may be different from mine, and that's okay, as long as you travel every edge exactly once. So I'm going to go to A, and then to D, and then to C using the right edge, and then back to D. And remember, it's okay to visit a vertex more than once. You just can't travel an edge more than once. And then to B, and then finally to C. So I've traveled every edge exactly once. So this is my Euler path.